May kikitain ba ako sa IMG? Yes, may potential income sa IMG. Kapag sineryoso mo ang mission ng IMG, educate people and guide them to save and invest. Pwede kang kumita through commissions, bonuses, and overrides. FYI lang po, wala po tayong kita sa membership fee. Once nag-start yung new member na mag-build ng financial foundation, doon pa lang tayo magsisimulang magkaroon ng kita. This is financial advocacy with a business side. Kung mahilig kang tumulong, magturo, mag-share, pwede mo tong gawing part-time or full-time career. Tulad ko, dahil nakita ko yung magandang advocacy nito, ginagawa ko ito as part-time, but in my heart, full-time. Kaya kung gusto mo ding sumali sa aming advocacy, and at the same time, kumikita ka, join ka na. Comment income opportunity or send me a message. I will give you the full details and I will guide you every step of the way.